Meanwhile, more tourists flock to RFID installation sites as NLEX braces for the holiday rush with added manpower, suspended road repairs, and possible counterflow lanes. Operators vow smoother travel as thousands are expected to hit the road starting Thursday. Arnoel Talakay tells us more.
Edward Ponsal was patiently waiting outside the RFID installation site at the Balintawak Toll Plaza northbound today. During long weekends, he says that he usually has to drive early in the morning to avoid heavy traffic in the afternoon as the motorists start to travel to go on a long vacation.
Siyempre sir, hindi ka nahihinto o hindi ka na mag-open ng window. Seconds lang nakapastro ka na sa mga toll gate.
With this situation, he says that he now appreciates having RFID installed in his car. But for now, since it's already in the afternoon, a day before the long weekend kicks in, he says that he has no choice but to deal with the traffic.
Probably pagka ganyan at maraming kasabay, madaling araw umaalis mas maaga para iwas po sa traffic.
But at 7 o'clock tonight, there was an approximate 150 meters vehicle queue at the RFID lanes at the Balintawak Toll Plaza. Traffic also started to build up at the Mindanao exit where the vehicle line was 2.4 kilometers long. This afternoon, the management of North Luzon Expressway, or NLEX, through its social media released an advisory reminding the motorists what to do before traveling this long weekend. It also posted about the NLEX EasyTex Easy Trip installation site. Robin Ignacio, NLEX Corporation Assistant Vice President, said that NLEX has already prepared for the long weekend by adding 60% more from its usual number of personnel so that emergencies along NLEX can be easily responded to. NLEX is also ready to provide a counterflow lane if necessary.
Kasi dito po sa area ng magko-converge o magsasama-sama yung mga pumapasok galing Balintawak, Mindanao at saka Karuhatan, dyan usually nagkakaroon ng slowdown ng ating traffic.
He also said that no road repair to be done along NLEX within the duration of long weekend. However, enhancement works for RFID readers will continue, but Ignacio stressed that it will not affect significantly the flow of the traffic.
Kasi one lane at a time at ang closure po natin ay between 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. lang naman at saka hindi po kasama yung ating mga critical plazas like Balintawak, Bukaue, San Fernando at saka yung Dahu.
The long weekend will start tomorrow due to the declaration of a special non-working holiday for Ninoy Aquino Day. August 25 Monday, on the other hand, was declared a regular holiday as part of the observance of National Heroes Day. The North Luzon Expressway Management once again reminds the motorists to check their vehicles before traveling. Do not forget the acronym Blow Baguettes. Checking these items before hitting the road will help prevent or avoid accidents or any related car accidents. Noel Talakay from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.